We're excited to welcome you to Threads of Care, a film screening, a conversation with ministers of health, and discussion of the film. My name is Tamina Martin. I am a co-founder of the Agency Fund. We invest in organizations that grow human agency.
At Noora Health, we have the privilege of supporting governments who are working to formalize the role of family caregivers. We are all here because we believe family caregivers should no longer be invisible to our health systems, and that supporting them must become part of the global standard of care.
As a Minister of Health, my job is actually to keep my people healthy. So that is maybe the reason why the name is Ministry of Health. No Ministry of Sickness or Ministry of Cure or Ministry of Doctors, the name is Ministry of Health. In my perspective, you cannot do it alone as a government program. You have to do it together as a movement. You need to transfer the ownership to live healthy to each of the individuals. That is the reason why I like Noora Health, because my concept is very similar with them.
I dream after 10 years to put a multilateral system for home care, putting the family and the formal caregiver together, because it's very unfair to leave the family caregiver alone taking the responsibility of even if he is supported.
So today we are faced with the non-communicable diseases as a major burden. I would say the community, the family support is extremely essential. The life expectancy in the Maldives is 80 years now. That is one of the reasons why I would say the family support for the care is extremely useful.
Back in 2012, my elderly mother, she was living in Bangladesh, quite healthy for her age. Suddenly she had this stroke, so I had to take this tough decision to leave my life and job back in London and went back to Bangladesh. And then we spent 2 years in the same house, living together before she passed away. And those 2 years as the most memorable and joyful moments of my life. So if we change our lens to see this thing as not as a problem, but as an opportunity, and if we can promote that and support that, because not many of the carers have that luxury to leave their job. That's the challenge.
We close finally this conversation. We wanted to bring one additional voice into the room. Via video remarks, Dr. Tedros DG of the WHO.
WHO is responding through guidance, training, and global standards for long-term care, including support for unpaid caregivers. Countries such as Indonesia are already leading the way. As populations age, we must move beyond reliance on invisible labor and build systems that recognize, support, and integrate caregivers with dignity and purpose.
This film is about caregiving, and at its heart, it's about bringing agency to caregivers, giving them a sense of control, giving them the tools they need to help their families thrive. And so we hope that you will enjoy Threads of Care.